For Chapter 3, Tutorial 3, again, I'm going to go to File, New, Sketch, Chapter 3, Tutorial 3. And as always, I'm going to begin by either drawing a circle or a line or something that's going to define my points. So for this particular one, I'm going to go ahead and draw that first line. And that first line has a distance of 480. So dealing with something pretty large here. So now I can draw my circle up here. And I'm going to go back in and I'm going to draw a line that goes up to here. And then I don't want it to go all the way because I want it to be able to apply some constraints here in a moment. That'll be a lot easier if I don't go all the way. So now I've got this kind of rough shape in here. I can continue dimensioning this thing, making sure that I get everything where I need it to be. So first thing I'm going to do is dimension from here to here, and I'm going to put this in at 46. And then I'm going to change this dimension here to 55. Now for this dimension right here, I'm going to use 240. And then the diameter of this, if it has a radius of 65, that means its overall size is 130. So I'll put in the 130. Now I can go back to my line command, and I want to get it so that I see that horizontal with the center line symbol, and then I can draw that straight down. Start my line command again, draw it straight down. Now with all of that being drawn straight down, I can now go in and delete some segments that I no longer need, which is all of these little segments in here, until what I'm left with is my shaded object. Now you'll notice it had a bunch of additional dimensions that it placed, but as soon as I trimmed everything out, all those dimensions went away. So now I can draw my smaller circle inside of here, which has a diameter of 56. And now I can place all of my fillets. And in this particular one, the fillets have a radius of 15. So I'm going to click on fillet, and I'm going to click between here and here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. Now to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to click on equal, and I'm going to select this fillet, then this one, then this one, then this one. So now all of my fillets are equal, and all I have to do is change one dimension to 15. And what that does is that changes all of my fillet radiuses to 15. The last thing that I need to do, I noticed that one weak dimension reappeared as soon as I placed my fillets, so I just want to go in and change this back to 55 to make sure that everything is accurate. So now I have no more weak dimensions, everything is shaded, everything that is supposed to be filleted is filleted, and I am good to go ahead and save this one and turn it in.